Now we will talk about preamble. Preamble is like an introduction page in the Constitution of India. Okay, you might see this is the preamble. It says, "We the people of India, having solemnly resolved the Constitution of India into all these things are there." Okay, so this is the preamble of the India. That is the introduction page of the thing. You don't have to remember this, please. Like what is written over here, this page is not to be done. This is just a copy to show us what a preamble looks like. Okay. Preamble is one of the most important part of the Constitution. Indian Constitution begins with the preamble. The words written in the preamble highlighted the soul of the Constitution. So the words which are there in the preamble tells us what the Constitution of India is all about. Okay, and preamble of India is very, very, very important document in the whole of Constitution. The preamble remained unchanged till 1976. So till 1976 the preamble was as it is, but in the year 1976 words like socialist, secular, unity and integrity of the nations were added. Okay, so by the year 1976 all these three words were added. Socialist means giving equal rights to everyone in society and in economy. Secular means what? That we don't give importance to one religion, but we give importance to all the religions which are there in India. Unity means we are all united together. United मतलब एक साथे एकजुट चाहिए. Integrity means we have some respect. We do have respect for the country of India and the fact that our nation is such a good nation. The preamble verbalizes the fundamental objectives of Constitution, aims, ideas and principles. So verbalizes meaning the preamble tells us what are the objectives of the Constitution, what are the aims of the Constitution, what are the ideas of the Constitutions, what is the principle of the Constitution. Therefore the preamble straight away gives a clear insight of the rule of welfare. So when you read the preamble, you know that the preamble talks about welfare of everyone, to work towards improvement of everyone. The preamble reflects Constitution framers' psyche. So when you read the Constitution and when you read preamble, you come to know about the people who have framed the Constitution. We come to know about the ideas and the mindsets of the people who have framed the Constitution of India. Importance of preamble. The preamble as a soul of the Constitution is the most important necessity. So what they are saying that preamble is the soul of the Constitution. Soul એટલે આત્મા છે Constitution નો. And it is a very, very important thing. To understand the framing of any law or its interpretation, preamble gives a proper guidance. So what they are saying, if you want to understand a particular law, if you want to understand a particular rule, regulation, तो એના માટે to understand preamble is very important. If you understand preamble very well, you will be able to understand well that why there is a particular rule, why there is a particular law. To understand the policy behind the frame of any law, preamble plays a very important role. So what they are saying that when you are making any rule, when you are making any law, it's very, very important that you understand preamble. If you understand preamble, then only you will be able to make any law, any rule. The preamble is useful tool to avoid the trouble in interpretation of Constitution. So what they are saying that preamble is basically gives you a guideline. It helps you in making rules and regulations, and it avoids any confusion, any problems, any trouble in understanding Constitution. Okay. When any ambiguity or obscure details in the law arises, preamble helps us to understand and interprets the law. So what they are saying that when any problem arises in a particular law, right, that sometimes people say આ law proper નથી, આ law ને change કરવો જોવે, કે આવો law લાવવો જોવે. So in order to understand the details of a particular law, in order to understand why there is this law, in order to understand various aims and objectives of the law, preamble helps. Because preamble tells why this law is there and why that law is needed. This preamble serves as a compass to understand the constitutional laws. So basically, to understand the laws and the rules and regulations in the country, it's very important that you understand the preamble. Preamble is national unity, integrity, and standard crust of brotherhood. So because of preamble, our nation is united. Because of preamble, we respect each and everyone. Integrity means respect. We respect each and everyone, and the reason, because preamble is there, we consider each and every one of us as brothers. Among the citizens having noble sentiments and ideas. So the reasons why the people of our India are so united, why do we consider each other brothers and sisters, is because of preamble, which is based on high ideas and goals. Okay.